Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and let's start the video for eighth grade. So today we're going to study eighth grade. This class is going to be about reading class. So you're gonna have the page 84 and 85 because on page 84, you're going to have the reading comprehension. And on page 85, you're going to see the reading. I mean, you're going to see the whole words. I mean, the whole text. Remember, it's necessary you understand that this school is Arajanis school, countryside, and the best way for learning English, and this is teacher Jacob. Okay, so now let's start the class now. Yeah, let's go. And this is what I want you. We do it. It's about reading comprehension. So remember, reading class we have to do four exercises. One is, I insist, this is very important. It is to circle the words that you don't understand. So individually, you're going to have your pen or pencil, and you're going to give a circle the words that you don't understand. For example, I don't understand everyone, so I circle everyone. I don't understand cloth, so around. So individually, you're gonna select the words that you don't understand. Just giving a circle that. Remember, later you're gonna take a photo because you're gonna show me how many words do you understand in the reading. Suggestion other, when you finish, circle the words that you don't understand. You can write here like a list of the words that you don't understand and look at the dictionary. So if you write here the list of the words, you are going or you are increasing the new vocabulary. Here you can write the words that you don't understand. Well, and the second exercise, it's just to underline the verbs. Remember, it's very important uh, to know how many verbs, or I mean, more than known, it's to understand the importance of the verbs, and that if you are learning English, you need to memorize verbs. Verbs are essential in a phrase or in a sentence. So that's why I want. So you are going to underline the verbs. For example, here we have, yeah, want, talk, where, am, doing is a verb too. I've been fascinated is also too. Where one more time, are, warm is also, this is a verb, warm, yes, is necessary to underline. Okay, like, oh well, here is not, but it sounds like a verb, but here in this it's not a verb. Okay, take, look is a verb, but here is not a verb. Don't they look here, yes, have also, and what else? Okay, here where we are love is also are, and so on, unmarried, worn, game. So that's what I need. I need is you circle the words that you don't understand. And the second exercise is to uh, underline the verbs in the test. Okay? Now, the third activity that you need to do, it's listen, read, and speak. Remember, this exercise you have to do three activities. One is listening, second is reading, and third is speaking. So four activities. It means three mental process that you are doing in learning English. So let's do it. So I'm gonna read very slow, and you're gonna follow me. All right. So come on, let's go. Traditional clothes around the world. August 29, 2015 at 12:59. Hey, everyone, I have a different topic today. Instead of taking about instead of talking about my clothes, I want to talk about your clothes, especially the traditional clothes that you wear around the world. I am doing a project about it at school. Personally, I always been fascinated by the Japanese kimono. Kimono literally means things to wear. Kimonos are worn on a special occasion in Japan, like summer, festival, New Year's, and weddings. Take a look at the picture of kimonos on this page. This is kimonos. Don't they look beautiful? They have long sleeves and they are made of silk. I love how they stretch for the shoulders to the feet. Did you know that each type of kimono dress reflects the material status, age, and level of formality of the occasion? For example, the result is worn by unmarried woman and the on cake is worn only by a bride. Please leave a comment and a picture about some traditional cloth for from your country. Thanks. Samit. Hi, I'm from India, where one item of traditional cloth for men is called the Ortiz. It is a piece of cloth that is tied around the waist and legs. The knot is tight and the waist body is known by different names in different places. It is used to be very trendy, but now most people usually only wear it at home for comfort. Winter clothes are becoming more popular. Reply like one September 1st at 13:19. Ahmed, hello. What do you think about this? It's a fez. It is worn by men in the Middle Eastern countries. I'm from Turkey and some people still wearing them here. It is named after the city in Morocco where it's originated. It is unusually red or black and it is a very practical hat. Well, reply 1 September 2 at 15:03. All right, so this is what I need. You listen and then you repeat. Now, the four exercise it's, that I want you to do it is just read normally. I mean, I need this. You try to read this like when you're reading in Spanish. I mean, at the same speed. So let's do it. Um, let's see by the title. My clothing block, traditional cloth around the world. August 29, 2015 at 12:59. Hey everyone, I have a different topic today. Instead of talking about my clothes, I want to talk about your clothes, especially traditional clothes that you wear around the world. And I'm doing a project about it at school. Personally, I always been fascinated by the Japanese kimono. Kimono literally means thin to wear. Kimonos are worn on a special occasions in Japan, like your festivals, New Year's, or weddings. Taking a look at the pictures of kimonos on this page. Don't they look beautiful? They have a long sleeves and they're made of silk. I love how they stretch from the shoulders to the feet. Do you know that each type of kimono dress reflects the marital status, age, and level of formality of the occasion? For example, the furizo is worn by unmarried woman, and the Onchi cake is worn only by the bride. Please leave a comment and a picture about some traditional cloth from your country. Thanks. Sami, I'm from India. Where one item of traditional cloth for men is called Dharti Kurta. It is a piece of cloth that is tied around the waist and legs. The knot is tied and at the waist. Dante is known by different names in different places. It is used to be very trendy, but now most people usually only wear it at home for comfort. Western clothes are becoming more popular. Ahmed, hello. What do you think about this? It's um, it's a fence. It's worn by men in Middle Eastern countries. I'm from Turkey, and some people still wear them here. It is named after the city in Morocco where it is originated. It is unusually red or black, and it is very practical hat. So this is the reading, but remember the comprehension is going to be on page 44. So this is the comprehension about the reading. So cloth in Japan. So work. So you're going to do activity one, two, three, and four, nothing else, just four activities. So activity one, it is work in pairs, look at the block on page 85 and discuss the question. So this is for you. What are the people wearing? So according to the pictures, you need to tell me what are they wearing. So you need to write the answers here, okay? Kimoko and the hat, the special, and also and where do you think they are from? So you need to tell me where they're from. They're from Japan, they're from India, and they're from Morocco. Okay, so right. Read the block and check your answers in activity one. Okay, this is one and two finished. Let's go to three. Read the block, the floor, the block again and answer the questions. What is the blog usually about? I mean, what is the topic? What is the blog usually about? What is it? When do people wear kimonos? When? When? So tell me the dates and so on. It is according to the reading. Don't forget. And why are this type? Why are there different types of kimonos? Yeah, there are some kimonos for okay. And what parts of the body does the nati usually cover? Oh, that's good. In India, it happens. And why the nati not so fashionable today? Why? Yeah, there is a reason why it's not usually or useful now. And finally, why is the color? Okay, so you do this in your house and you show me, okay? And this is the class.